Welcome to our comprehensive guide on using the Kojak Smart Disable Syringe, which does not allow healthcare professionals to reuse the syringe and protects them from needle stick injuries using a protective shield. After the first injection, the plunger gets locked, rendering the syringe unusable, and the Smart Sip Shield ensures safe recapping of the needle and disposal, free from the risk of needle stick injuries. Before giving the vaccine or medication, make sure you have a new Kojak Smart Disable Syringe, vaccine vial, alcohol swabs, and a sharps container. Take the Kojak Smart Syringe out of the blister pack. Hold the syringe straight, enabling a clear view of its complete structure, including the syringe and the protective sip shield covering the needle. Gently open the sip shield with a single finger to take the needle out. Be careful not to touch the needle while removing the protective shield. Insert the needle into the vaccine or medication vial. Before filling the vaccine or medication, ensure the needle tip should be submerged in the liquid or you will fill in the air. Pull back the plunger slowly to draw the necessary dose into the syringe. In case of vaccine, the plunger is set to draw 0.5 ml of vaccine plus 10% from the vial, preventing vaccine wastage. In case of reconstitution, pull the piston backward to extreme, keeping the needle downward to suck air. Release the total fluid in injection vial, keeping the vial downward. Check for air bubbles while drawing a vaccine or medication. Inside the vial, tap the syringe to remove any air bubbles and adjust the dose accordingly. Locate the injection site on the patient's body. Cleanse it with an alcohol swab and insert the needle at a suitable degree angle. Then proceed with normal injection procedure, including aspiration for step-enabling vein location. Administer vaccine or medication by slowly pushing down the plunger. After administering the full dose, slowly pull the needle out and push the sip shield until it fully covers the needle. Put a swab on the injection site. After the full administration of dose, the plunger locks automatically due to its ring and lock mechanism to prevent reuse. If reuse is attempted, plunger will break. Once the shield covers the needle, position the syringe at a suitable angle on the table. Press the syringe against the table until the click sound is heard. The click sound confirms that the needle is now locked in place. This demonstrates that the needle is firmly locked and cannot be taken out of the protective shield. Dispose of the syringe in a sharps container for safety. Know more about the Kojak Smart Disable Syringe at hmdhealthcare.com.